This festive Valentine snack mix is love at first sight and bite. In a large bowl, combine chocolate Chex cereal, Berry Berry Cheerios, and XOXO pretzels. Melt the candy coating according to package directions and pour over the ingredients in the large bowl. Stir to combine well. Spread the mixture out in an even layer on parchment paper. Immediately sprinkle with Valentine sprinkles, regular M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, some more of the Berry Berry Cheerios, and chocolate Cheerios. Add additional XOXO pretzels and these adorable XOXO frosted cookies. Allow to cool completely and then break apart to store in a sealed jar or a cute container that's perfect for gifting. An irresistible sweet treat that's a must-make for Valentine's Day. Enjoy!